If you're looking for a great set of Tweeter automation tools, Twilo.net is a great site that has a lot of different automated features that you can use for your Tweeter account. They have a tweet scheduler where you can set up tweets in advance that will get sent out at the time you specify. There's a auto follow feature where you can auto follow people who you are following. There's a keyword auto follow, which will allow you to automatically follow users based on keywords you set up or keywords that they tweet. There's a keyword auto reply, which is similar, but instead of following them, you'll automatically send them a message that you set up based on keywords that you set up. So that's a very cool feature. Another cool feature is the keyword tracker. And what this does is basically you can get a daily email report of everybody that has tweeted certain keywords that you set up. So what I'm going to do is let's walk through the steps of the features of the Tweeter account automation tools. Let's click on Tweet Scheduler. And I've already set mine up, but when you first click on the Tweet Scheduler, you're going to have to set up your settings. And basically in your settings is what time zone are you in, the preferred date format, and the preferred time format. I've already set mine up, but basically your first step would be to set these up and hit the save button. The next step is basically set up your tweet and schedule when you want that tweet message sent out. So for this demo, let's just put in testing new features on Twilo.net using auto tweet scheduler. And right now it is 11:24 a.m. So let's set this for 12 p.m. There's 12 p.m. Set status. And what this will do is at 12 o'clock, it will automatically tweet that message for me. So I don't have to remember to tweet it, or this is a very good tool if you know you're going to be sending out tweets every day around the same time every day just to keep your followers active. So here we can see in our dashboard here that we have these are the tweets getting ready to get sent out. And here's the one that we just put in for today at 12 o'clock p.m. So what I will do is let's click on the tab. I'm just going to refresh my Tweeter page, and we can see nothing's been posted yet. But I'll come back to this in about a half an hour and give you guys an update on how it automatically posted, and I didn't have to remember anything. So let's go back. And we can click on here on automated tools, and let's look at our auto follow, auto reply features. Now what this will let you do is basically set up keywords that you want to auto follow people who tweet these keywords, and you want to auto reply to these people with a message. So I've just set up one keyword, WeFollow, because basically WeFollow is another Tweeter directory. And what happens when people register on WeFollow, an automatic tweet gets sent by them that says they just registered on WeFollow. So that's a keyword that basically I search on Tweeter, and anybody who tweets that message, I'm going to auto reply to them with add yourself to the Twilo.net Tweeter directory. And not only will this feature, when you check this checkbox, this will send an auto reply. So let's say you don't want to reply to them and you just want to automatically follow anybody who has typed in that keyword. That will do, this one page will serve both of those functions. And also you can add more. So let's put a comma and let's add, if you put the quotes, it will get the string. So let's just say we want Tweeter directory as well. So anybody, if we didn't put the quotes, it would automatically search for Tweeter by itself and then directory by itself. But since we put the quotes, now what we're going to do is anybody who tweets Tweeter directory, we're going to auto reply with this message, and we're going to automatically follow them once a day. This will run once a day and follow anybody who has tweeted these two keywords. So let's hit auto follow and reply. Save these settings. And what I want to do is maybe go back to my main Tweeter page, and you can see some examples of this of how it kind of automatically sent the message to everybody who has used that keyword. So let's go back and let's click on auto follow our followers. And this is pretty straightforward. What this tool is going to allow you to do is basically once a day, it's going to automatically follow anybody who you're following. So it's just going to keep your ratio pretty close. Now the next feature, which is pretty cool, we can come down to keyword tracker. And what this will allow you to do is, instead of sending out an automatic reply to people using the keywords, you basically just want to report. You basically just want to know in an email format what people have used these keywords, so you can better market to them at a later time. You don't want to follow them, you don't want to send them an automatic reply, but you still want to know who those users are. So we can do the same thing, and I'll put in, and that should work. And when I set this will actually just give me an email report once a day of everybody who has used this keyword. And the email report will come in the email once a day, and will basically have the person's name, their profile, Tweeter name, their profile, and what word they used when they tweeted. So basically anybody who uses tweets we follow or Tweeter directory, I'm going to get an email report of everybody who used that word once a day. And this pretty much completes the automation tools on Twilo.net.